were scarce. We had one football that we practiced with that cut so round you could dribble it. We used it in basketball. But we had one good ball that we used for our game ball. But we dared not use it because we couldn't afford another one. Oh, it was... When I came here, they were named themselves Orange Eaters. And I said, that is no name for a football team or anything athletic. Change it to Lions. Let's do that. They all agreed. I never.
Who was your quarterback that year?
Sometimes Joe Gallagher and sometimes Joe Dumas. Both little scatbacks. Both good quarterbacks. Good little football players.
How did you motivate your players?
How did I what?
How did you motivate your players?
Oh, I tried to talk turkey to them. But as Les would say, only the best is not good enough for you. And I wouldn't want you a member of my team if you don't give your best all the time. Old Roy Underwood that was here today said he saw the fellow run by him. He said he could have tackled him and so easily. It was Atmore. The head linesman was Martin Crosby, who owned the drugstore at Foley. And I was supposed to give him a horn for my players were accustomed to a horn for the head linesman. But one single horn didn't work, so I gave him a whistle, like the referee.
Mm-hmm.
So we were offside, attacking Atmore.
Mm-hmm.
And the whistle blew and our boys stopped. But the Atmore fellows knew that the referee was behind them and the ball's not dead till the referee blows his whistle. So they just let him run on through them and go on for a touchdown.
He wasn't from Atmore, was he?
No, Crosby, no. Oh, Lord. That was just one of those things that made us so mad. We were determined that there was going to be no one to cross our goal line. The sports have an opportunity to teach character and leadership and all those fine qualities of a gentleman in the true sense of the word. But they can be degrading if they are not conducted properly. If the coach believes in getting by with this or that, that's sneaking and telling a lie. And so it depends upon the conduct, but the sports conducted properly teach all those qualities that we admire so much. They have sports have an opportunity of developing that fellowship, leadership, play with someone other than yourself, selflessness.